Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today again is another Aliexpress metal die video. Again, these are Nicole's designs that she goes through Aliexpress. This is Jade's shop on Aliexpress, and I'm just gonna go through the dies. So first thing are these different memory decks dies. Super cute. They both have the stitching along the edge, and then they have an upper like corner that is different on each of them. It's even stitched around the part that goes on the memory deck sticks. Then this one has an option, not an option, but you can buy the stamp. It's got the stitching along the edge, and then it says recipe. And it can stamp right over top of this. And I was thinking, how cute would that be to have like a recipe memory decks of, you know, obviously not big complicated recipes, but you could write on the front and the back of this Christmas recipes or, you know, like baking recipes. I thought would be super cute. So I was going with the theme and I did red and green. This is it right here. These lines are so skinny. I'm surprised it stamped that good, and it did. And I embossed it with red. I do need to get one of those like embossing buddies so it doesn't smear the powder that like gets the static off. I forgot to do it. Anyway, it's got the little corner detail, the little swirls, the recipe. Super cute. And again, I did it in red and green. How cute would that be though, like I said, to do Christmas, like a Christmas themed, you know, baking recipe, or you don't even have to do these colors and you don't have to do Christmas. I'm just saying Christmas because it is Christmas right now. But you could do like a baking one. How cute would that be? And a bunch of cute recipe cards on a memory decks. That's such a cute idea. This one, obviously the stamp does not work with it. The stamp only coordinates with this one. I will link them down below. So those are the memory decks. This die, it's a circular, like scalloped die, and it came with these three little hearts. I instantly thought of like Valentine's Day, you know, like with the hearts. Just I think anytime I see hearts, I associate it with Valentine's Day. So this is big. This is 4 3/4 inches wide, diameter wise. And so what I made with this, because I said it reminded me of Valentine's Day, is this cute little Valentine's Day card. I just did a big rectangle and I corner chomped the edges. And then I stitched around the edge, and then I used the like jagged edge square with this vellum heart paper that I had in my stash. And then I did this bow, which is also, while I'm on it, available in Jade's shop, is this bow. I have a bow like this in the big, giant, thick wood die, but this one is just a regular thinlit die, which is score, and it's got holes on all the corners, so you can easily, you know, when you start folding everything in, you can hold it together with a brad. But I just put a gem there. So this is this. So there's that bow, and I did it in a gold glitter paper, and it is 3 inches wide once it's assembled. So I did this one in a really pretty like purple glitter paper. And then I did the little hearts in that gold foil paper from Michaels, and I puffed it up on some dimensional dots, the three heart key lock hearts. And then I did some baker's twine on the very edge of all 3 hearts, and I hid it behind the bow to make it look like the hearts were like dangling with string. How cute is that? I love the way that turned out. I had the vision in my head and I didn't know if it was going to turn out cute, but I think it did. And then again, a gem in the center. I think I already said that. That's super cute, right? Valentine's Day themed. So this comes with this, and then this is a separate die. This is just the bow die. Okay, moving on. Next is this die, and it came with a bunch of little pieces. it's like a pocket tag. So this, once you cut it out, folds. It says teachers, thank you. And then it's got like all the little pieces, A+, the little pencil parts to layer the pencil, and the 2 hole reinforcers for the top of the tag. And then it's got the cute little apple. I think this is perfect. Not even if you don't use it for a teacher's gift, it, you know, there's a thank you part that you can put on here. A little gift card holder. So what I did, here's like a little cup, for instance, and I would have a tag on here. So I did the little pencil. I layered it up with the pieces that it comes with. I just got black marker and kind of did like a swirl. It says teacher, thank you. And then on the back side, I made my fake gift card. It slides in this little pocket right here, like a scallop detail edge. And then I put the little apple and the A+ right here. And then I did a gold, like I did the flower hole reinforcement. Or not flower, I don't know. Scalloped. Isn't that cute? So this assembled is a little 4 3/4 inches tall by 2 3/4 inches wide. So it's a good size, as you can see, like in the palm of my hand. So isn't that cute? I love this little like pencil detail. So cute. Perfect for end of the school year, Christmas, Teachers Appreciation Day, you name it. There's all sorts of days that you can appreciate teachers or anybody. Like I said, you don't have to use the teacher part. You could just do the thank you, and it comes with this cute pocket tag if you want a pocket tag in your stash. Okay, so there's that one. Next is this one, and I didn't know that I was gonna get this, but I already had. But here you go. I made them in like a more of a pastel-y pink this time, like a shimmer paper. Super cute. And then the chunky glitter for the bow part of the, I absolutely love this die. This is probably my favorite die. Nicole, this is my favorite die. Look how cute. Look at the little Santa hat, the little eyes. I like how it folds over. It's just adorable. And this guy is 4 1/4 inches long and about 2.5 inches wide. So he's a decent size embellishment. There's the piece. This is what it looks like put together. I mean, not put together. What it looks like before you take it apart. Super cute, right? Next is this cute, this is like a floral die, and it's like the thin inlay part, and I will show you. Okay, so I showed you the 2 dies. I used the other die to create this memory dex. As you can see, it has like the stitching detail on the edge. So this is the die that does not like have an option to have the stamp that matches. So I just did that, and I backed it in 110-pound cardstock. And then the flowers I did in 2 different colors, and I layered and staggered them on top of each other in 2 different colors. And then I did a really pretty like light pink glitter one over here on the corner. And that's the Maggie Holmes Flourish paper in the background. So cute. This screams spring. Try to say that 10 times fast. Super cute, right? I love these dies. I'm so excited. So yeah, I will link Nicole's information down below, and I will also link all the links to the items and also Jade's store. There's lots of goodies in that store. And yeah, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.